This video will show you how to export a code list from Leica Infinity and then import that code list into Leica Captivate. So let's access our code list. We're here on the main menu of Leica Infinity. We'll go to Tools, and then we see the different code lists that we have here. Now, to export, you do not want to export at the top level. So you notice if I click here, the export button will be highlighted, but we do want to actually enter the code list. So we'll click on the pencil, and then we'll go into the list. You'll notice that we have several different code groups. If we select a group, we'll see the different codes in that group. We've defined these as points. There's no line work, so let's look at a list that actually has line, a group that actually has line work associated. So we go into the building group. So we notice we have a combination of points and points with line work, and we have specified the different CAD layers for these by importing a CAD drawing. So we're now ready to export this list out so it can be used on your Captivate unit. So we'll select here, and we'll select the export here, and we want to select SmartWork and Captivate Job DBX. And I have inserted an SD card into my computer, so I'm going to access that SD card and place this code list in the code directory, and I will press OK. So I've taken the SD card and placed it in my total station. The process would be the same if you were using a CS20 Captivate controller or a CS35 Captivate controller. So once we have put the SD card into our unit, we can go to the main menu here in Captivate and go to Settings, and then go to Tools, Transfer User Objects. We'll set our object to transfer to code list, and we'll tell this that we're going from the SD card to the internal memory of our device. You will have to use a USB drive if you're using a Leica CS35 tablet computer with Captivate software. So now you'll notice the code list is set to none. I'll select this arrow here, and you'll notice that our Gordon Alpha code list is here. We can select that and press OK. If you want to upload multiple code lists, you can select the box here by checking that. But in this case, we only want to load a single list, so we'll press OK. And it tells us that the code list has been successfully transferred. If you want to check that, you can go back to the main menu and go to the New Job selection. Tap here to create new job. Go to Code List. You can see the Gordon Alpha is now our current list. You can select that, and if you want to look at the codes in the list, you can highlight this and press Edit, and then press Codes. And you'll notice that we do have our codes.